Hello. Yesterday I did an unboxing of my new Spyderco Military 2. This is it here. And it is a beautiful knife. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. And I wanted to take a minute and go over this knife and compare it to not just the Paramilitary 2, but also the Para 3 Lightweight, because I think these are the best three knives in the military series. I don't have a Para 3. I only bought the Para 3 Lightweight because I really didn't see any reason or the purpose of doing a 3-inch blade versus the 3.5-inch blade of the PM2. But then when they came out with the lightweight version, it made a lot more sense for me. And when they announced last year about this military model, I was really excited. But I got tired of waiting, and I wanted a 4-inch knife, and you can see my other review on the ZT 0452 carbon fiber that I picked up while I was waiting for the Para 2, or I'm sorry, the Military 2 to come in. And you can see the review of this knife in another place. Right now, I just wanted to show off the Military 2, go over some specs for people that are interested in this knife. So we'll go ahead and put the ruler up here and I'll read it off. Okay, so the Military 2 has an overall length of 9.51 inches. It's got a blade length of 4 inches. It's got a closed length of 5.51 inches, and it weighs in at 4.3 ounces. It's fairly lightweight for this size of a knife. Compared to the PM2, the PM2 has an overall length of 8.24 inches, a blade length of 3.42 inches, a closed length of 4.82 inches, and a weight of 3.9 ounces. That's 0.4 ounces less than the Military 2. The blade thickness is 0.145 inches or 3.7 millimeter in both knives. So the blade thickness is identical. Let me show you that real quick. When we compare the Military 2 with the PM3 Lightweight, the PM3 Lightweight has an overall length of 7.21 inches. It has a blade length of 2.92 inches and a closed length of 4.29. And it has a weight of 2.4 ounces. So it's almost half the weight of the Military 2. Here we can see how the knives line up together in the closed position. All three of them are very close in width in the pocket. Height here, but this would be the width in the pocket. As you can see, I can lay the straight edge across there, and they're almost identical. So a lot of the blade geometry in these three knives are identical. Let me line these up for you where you can see. But we could basically, from the pivot point to the thumb hole, is all pretty much identical. We can shoot a bullet straight through the thumb hole and they all line up almost exact. Now when we line the blades up this way, it's a little different story. The Military 2 has more of a downward slope to the blade. So it stands up a lot higher than the other knives. What I mean is, as you can see, how straight the Para 3 lightweight is. Here's the Para Military 2. Fairly straight knife. But when we look at the Military 2, as you can see, that blade curves down. It's got a lot more downward curve to that knife than you see on the Para 2 or the Para 3. Which I kind of like that. I like the fact that I can get a hold of this knife and it just makes it feel like it's got more belly, even though it doesn't. Let me show you. If you hold these two blades side by side, they're identical. All they did was add that extra ½ inch right in here, right in there. Let's line up the thumb holes. Okay. You can see that there. Let's go back, line up the tips. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this knife. Fits in the pocket very nice. Gonna get another Lynch pocket clip similar to this one and install it with a tip-up carry, and that's gonna make it a lot nicer. In my unboxing video, I did a little demonstration shaving my arm. I'm not going to do that again because I'm running out of hair there. But it's a beautiful blade. I think if you decided to get this knife, I think you'd be very happy with it. The only problem I'd see maybe for a smaller person of small hands, it might be a little big, and it might be a little big to conceal in the pocket. But I'm 6 foot, plenty big. I got size 2X hands, so fits very good in the hand. Fits very good, you can see. And here's the Para 3. And here's how my hand fits the Para 2. So let's go ahead and share that. See? Look at that. There's the Para 2. Completely filled up. Para 3. Got room to spare. So when you ask me which knife has the best ergonomics, it'd be hard to say. You know? The first knife I ever had was a Para 2, and I thought that was just about the perfect everything. You know, I'd never experienced a knife like that, the way it was shaped, the thumb ramp, the forward choil, just the way it felt, the way the pocket clip, just it really worked in the hand. And I quickly understood why this knife was so popular. And I carried that for 10 years. Actually, I carried another knife. This is the knife I carried. I carried it for 10 years. It came with the black G10 handles, just like the Military 2, and this has the S30V, just like the Military 2 does. CPM S30V. And then this was the second military / model. This was the Para 3 lightweight, and it came with CTS BD1N, which I don't know a whole lot about that steel, but I will say sharpens pretty easy, holds an edge pretty good. This one has the fiberglass reinforced nylon handles. FRN is what they call them, bi-directional, and I'll tell you, I like it. Nice lightweight knife. Okay, easy to handle. I actually thought this one, it just feels a little better. And so it's got this pocket clip, which is a deep carry, not like the Manix 2 lightweight, which has a not deep carry pocket clip. And this one's come loose on me again, so I got a remedy. This is going to be another project here. Military 2. A new legend is born. I think this is going to be the knife of the year. Beautiful knife. Can't wait for them to come out with some different handles. I'd like to do something a little different than that black G10, but I'm happy with this steel. I'm happy with the shape of the knife. I'm happy with the ergonomics of the knife. Everything just really turned out nice on that knife. Enjoy your evening. Thanks for watching.